Welcome back to Pierre Solves. Today we're taking a first look at two brand new Ravensburger Wooden 500-piece puzzles, part of their newer wooden line that focuses on laser-cut pieces and a more tactile build experience. We'll be starting with Jungle Tiger, illustrated by Jonas Joe Dick, known for bold graphic artwork inspired by wildlife and nature. After that, we'll move on to Nature Garden, illustrated by Marina Ova, with a softer, more detailed botanical style. Both puzzles share the same design direction with layouts by Lena Bantlin. Each puzzle includes 500 uniquely shaped wooden pieces, along with around 40 themed whimsy pieces, which are custom shapes hidden throughout the build. Wooden puzzles tend to feel very different from cardboard for me. Their regular cuts slow things down, and once sections come together, they don't move as easily, which changes how the build flows. For now, we'll jump into the build, and I'll break everything down properly after the time lapse. Now that we've completed Jungle Tiger, here's a closer look at the puzzle and my feelings on it. As mentioned earlier, this puzzle is part of Ravensburger's Wooden 500-piece series. The 500-piece format is currently the largest size available in this wooden line, and each puzzle in this range is laser cut from engineered wood. The wood feels great to work with and is sturdier than it looks, not as fragile as one might expect. The unique cuts help avoid false fits, but that also means that standalone sections don't always hold together. That makes lifting and moving complete sections into the main puzzle a bit more delicate, which can slow your speed slightly as you work. This puzzle includes roughly 40 whimsies, which are small shaped pieces hidden throughout the design. We'll explore these in closer detail shortly. They're fun to spot and add character to the build. For those of you who don't enjoy building animals, or as it's sometimes called in the puzzling world, fur, don't stress. This is an illustration, not a photograph, which actually makes it more enjoyable and approachable to tackle. Now let's take a close look at the puzzle and explore those whimsies up close so you can see the shapes, detail and how they fit into the overall jungle scene. Next up is Nature Garden, the second puzzle in today's build and another entry in Ravensburger's Wooden 500-piece series. Like Jungle Tiger, this puzzle comes from their newer wooden line using laser-cut engineered wood and offering a noticeably different experience compared to traditional cardboard puzzles. This puzzle follows the same format, with 500 uniquely shaped wooden pieces and around 40 themed whimsy pieces hidden throughout the design, adding an extra layer of discovery as you work through the build. A lot of puzzlers describe wooden puzzles as almost a different style of puzzle rather than simply harder or easier. Some even say that a 500-piece wooden puzzle can feel more challenging than expected because of the variety and irregularity of shapes. At the same time, many people really enjoy the tactile side of wood. That solid feel when pieces come together is a big part of the appeal. For now, we'll focus on the build itself, and I'll share more detailed thoughts once the time lapse is complete. Now that we've completed Nature Garden, here's a closer look at the puzzle and how it came together. This is another entry in Ravensburger's Wooden 500-piece series, but visually it feels very different from Jungle Tiger. Interestingly, despite the two puzzles having very different illustration styles, the solve times were almost identical, with only 3 minutes between them. For me, that comes down to how Ravensburger designs their images. I find there are usually strong gradients throughout. This keeps their builds feeling engaging rather than annoying or frustrating. The artwork is by Marina Over, and the illustration leans into layered plants, flowers, and natural textures rather than a single focal point, spreading visual interest evenly across the image. This puzzle includes 40 whimsies, and they're completely different to the ones in Jungle Tiger. The shapes are unique to this design and blend in naturally with the overall artwork. Let's take a closer look at these whimsies now. Thanks for joining me on this puzzle build of Jungle Tiger and Nature Garden from Ravensburger's Wooden puzzle line. I'm Pierre Solves, and if you enjoyed seeing these unique wooden builds, check out my puzzle builds playlist for more puzzles and projects to explore. I really appreciate you watching. If you like what you saw, please give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss future builds. Until next time, keep relaxing, enjoy puzzling, and I'll see you in the next one.